One of the critical elements of glasses is that they filter out ultraviolet light and offer protection to the eyes. Polycarbonate, which is the material that we use for safety glasses, by nature filters out ultraviolet light up to about 380 nanometers, even the clear. Because it's an organic material, it has a special property that it filters out this light. So how do we test this? Each lens color is put into a machine that tests the transmittance levels across the entire visible light spectrum. For example, the report that comes from this machine now shows me a graph of how much light is coming through the lens in each of the various colors. The SW115, which is a copper colored lens, which again filters out blue light, are the test results that I'm going to point out. So for example, you can see at 420 nanometers it starts letting in a little bit of light. From 400 to about 500 nanometers, it's letting in about 9% of the visible light. Now again, the color that it's letting in is your greens and your blues. But when you get to 700 nanometers, you'll notice that it's letting in about 30% of visible light, and that's in your red, yellow, and orange. So this particular lens color lets in a lot of your red, yellow, and orange, but a very small percentage of your greens and your blues. Oftentimes they'll put together a color scale that will show the percentages in a much easier to read format.